The next parameter for establishing the budget is our tax rate screen. In the tax rate screen, we have tabs for establishing federal and state payroll taxes. Here, we're defining what payroll taxes the company incurs for both federal and for state. The federal setups will be fairly consistent. We have a line for employer FICA expense. Here we identify the tax type, and we're identifying that as FICA. Here we are identifying the tax rate, and then we have a field for identifying the wage maximum, which establishes the cap for the FICA wages. This will change year to year. For 2015, the maximum wage for FICA tax is $118,500. The next line is for Medicare. So here we are accessing our Medicare expense account, and we're identifying it as a Medicare type tax, and the tax rate for Medicare being 1.45%. And of course, there is no wage maximum for Medicare. All wages are subject to the 1.45% Medicare tax. Finally, we have the federal unemployment tax. So we link that to the federal unemployment tax account in our chart of accounts. We establish the tax rate, currently at 0.6%, and a wage maximum of $7,000. So here we've set up the federal taxes. Now we can set up our state payroll taxes. So we click on the State tab. On the State tab, what we're going to show are all states in which we are subject to a state unemployment tax. In this case, we have Virginia and Maryland. So we are linking it to the state unemployment tax account in our chart of accounts. We are identifying the state as Virginia. We are identifying the tax as a state unemployment tax. Sometimes this is known as SUI, or state unemployment insurance. Sometimes it's known as SUTA, state unemployment tax. Here, the contractor enters their tax rate for the particular state and the wage maximum. For Maryland, we're showing, again, state unemployment tax, showing the state as Maryland. Again, that it is a state unemployment tax type account. We're showing the tax rate and the wage maximum for Maryland. Now, these wage maximums vary from state to state, so please refer to your particular state's tax rules. Finally, we're showing workers' comp as a payroll tax. You can also show it as a group benefit if you prefer. It behaves like a payroll tax, but oftentimes it's characterized as a group benefit. So you can set it up in either screen, the payroll tax screen or in the group benefit screen.